In this video tutorial I will show you how to add the message button on an Instagram post. So open the Instagram app and go to your Instagram profile. Then make sure that your account type is a creator or business type. If you have that enabled, then you can skip this step. If not, then tap on the three lines. Then Settings. Tap on the account type option. Select Switch to Professional Account. Now go through these steps switching to a business or creator account. Now to add a message button to our post, tap on the plus icon to create a new post. And when you are on this page, depending on your location, you will have an Add Message Button option here. So for me, this feature is not available in my country. So depending on your location, this feature may or may not be available for you. If it's available for you, so just need to tap on it. And it's going to ask you where you want to get messages. Then tap on Done, and then you can share the Instagram post. That is how you can add the message button on an Instagram post.